वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक। हम बात कर रहे हैं भरत ठाकुर से और अब वक्त आ गया है उनकी टैरो रीडिंग का। सुनीता, प्लीज।
This is a very unusual reading, Bharat. Normally you're the one who gives advice, so this time we'll reverse it. So let's do a tarot reading for you. You have to shuffle these cards. Pick up the cards and shuffle them. Then you cut them into 3 groups with your left hand. Okay, put it back together. Spread them. And pick up 7 cards with whichever hand you want to. I'm not going to tell you. Okay, lovely. Typical, Bharat. You've picked up the star, which is a wonderful card. That means you're blessed by a high energy. You get what you need in life, always. You don't get what you want sometimes. You get what you need. So there's a big difference. Then you picked up the magician. You've got a bag full of tricks all the time and you're pulling it out all the time and surprising yourself and other people all the time, which is so typical of you. And then you've got the strength. That means a lot of energy, lots of changes, like we were talking about evolution, constantly you're at that. Then there are these little things with money and stuff like that, which is really not very significant to you because you don't care. You're detached. You just don't care.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
But you can tell about
What if I tell you something a little shocking? That you could actually act?
Act?
Yeah, that you could actually act in a film. Would you be shocked if I told you that?
No, it's okay. I know it will come.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I was just a little reluctant to tell you that.
It's okay.
What if I tell you that you will make films?
Yeah.
Would you be shocked?
No, I'm not shocked.
आप ये करना चाहते हैं फिल्म मेकिंग?
It will be happening.
Yeah, this is one
I want to direct my own novels.
Okay.
You do.
That's in my head, back of my head.
So there, we're on the right track then. So I see, that's why I was a little reluctant. I didn't want to tell you that.
He's one step ahead of you.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, let me just be gentle about this. I see you acting, I see you making films. So that's the next area you'll be going into.
अभी तक कोई ऑफर्स आए हैं एक्टिंग के लिए?
बहुत सारे.
बहुत सारे. और आपने हाँ कहा है अभी तक जो किसी को पता नहीं है?
पहले जो कर रहा हूँ मैं उससे पूरा करूँ, फिर अगला कदम लूँगा.
अच्छा. Okay. But it's excellent. That's the next direction I see you going. Traveling is plenty. Money will come. You don't care really, but it'll come, it'll go. You're very careless with money. You don't give a damn. It'll come, it'll go. It doesn't matter. But truly the most significant thing that I see is actually see films, acting and making films. Okay. I feel like laughing myself, but this is something that comes up very strongly.
भरत के लिए it's no surprise.
Yeah, he's not surprised. So obviously you've been thinking about it.
No, I'm not thinking, but
it'll just come. Yeah. And you know your life will never be the same.
I know my life comes as a surprise all the time.
All the time. Unpredictable as ever. Yeah. Lots of twists and changes.
Yeah, one day I sat down and I said, I want to be a poet, and I wrote a book in one night and it became the most popular book of poetry.
Oh,
so
lovely.
My life comes as a surprise.
Yeah. Very unpredictable, lots of twists and changes.
Yeah. Tell me about my emotional life.
Now that is always a bit messy. You'll have a series of relationships throughout your life.
Series means 50, 60 at least?
Maybe more.
Oh, wow. I'm blessed.
You're
I'm really
blessed. Series of them, yeah. And please don't ever get married because that again, I don't recommend that for you because you should live alone with lots of women around.
अभी आपने मना कर दिया है तो ये कल जाके शादी कर लेंगे.
Yeah, you know it. He will just go and do that.
I'll do it. This year I'm announcing my marriage.
Yeah, he will get married 100%. But that's what I'm trying to warn you. Marriage is not recommended for you. But I know you will do it, and I know you will want to have children. I know you'll want to go that route, but you know the answer.
It won't work, but I'll prove it right.
You know. I love this. Okay, so you prove it right then.
Thank you very much for being here. आपके साथ बात करना was not only enlightening, it was also very entertaining. Thank you for being here.